I mean, I can get up there, so it's not that big a deal. But the point is not getting up there.
Oh, it's going, because this thing is moving while you're moving.
But these things have to be back far enough where they can reach. But you don't want them jumping up, because they're directly underneath. They jump up, say they miss, and now their feet are coming down.
Yeah.
On that stuff. So.
Wait, can you actually do the chopper?
Huh?
Can you do it?
Probably. Make sure all these are in a good spot.
So it's monkey bars that are moving, basically.
Yeah.
That are moving.
So if you get like a real, I mean,
that's the one I need.
Have a problem. Some guys they don't need it, but they'll just run and jump up. But like I said, the point's not to jump up to this thing. The point is just to get across.
Yeah, so then the point is almost to not have so much movement on it, because then if you're twisting too much, you're creating movement, right?
Well, you see, I'm not very good at it. But like Turcotte, he can go across here like a monkey.
Oh my goodness.
So, yeah.
Wow.
So if you got technique,
yeah, I see what you did.
That hard.
Yeah. Okay, so you bounce from one to the next one with one arm each, not two arms.
Yeah, if you put two arms on that, you're just gonna get stuck.
Yeah.
Give it a shot.
Okay.
You want me to film it?
Yeah.
Is it filming?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. He's only getting better at this. So that's the good news. So, you went.
Yep. Yep. Come back, get a little momentum. Yep. Get a little momentum. One more time. Boom.